Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Photoshop on Android. Using Photoshop on an Android phone is quick and beginner-friendly with the right app. Start by opening the Google Play Store and downloading Photoshop Express, Adobe's official mobile editor. Once installed, launch the app and allow the required permissions so it can access your photos. You may sign in or create an Adobe account, but editing can begin right away. Tap to import an image from your gallery, then explore the editing tools available on screen. You can crop and straighten your photo, adjust lighting and colors, apply fillers, use preset templates, smooth details, reshape elements, and enhance the overall look with just a few taps. The interface is simple, making it easy to experiment and refine your image as you go. When you're finished, tap the export icon in the top right corner, choose your preferred save location, and download the final image to your device, ready to share or keep as your finished Photoshop edit. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.